G'day guys, so if you're watching this video, that might mean that you just previously watched the video about this microphone, the Thronmax M Zone, and you're maybe interested to know about the headphones and some of the other Thronmax products. So today we're going to be talking about the Thronmax THX 50 headphones, which, by the way, I just have to say I've reviewed a lot of headphones and these are by far my absolute favorite headphones, and let me explain why. Alright guys, so we're here today to talk about these headphones from Thronmax. These are the THX 50s, and these are a professional monitoring, recording pair of headphones meant for studio use, or I mean, they're just an all-round good pair of headphones. I've been really enjoying them for gaming, for watching videos on YouTube, for listening to music, and they're just, I think, a really good value. They only cost, I think, about $99 here in Australia, and considering I guess the sound that you get from these, I definitely didn't expect them to sound this good. So let's talk about what you get in the box, the materials, the construction. These headphones are primarily, you've got some nice leather ear cups on either side that basically swivel to give you, some good, I guess, fit on the ears there, or over the ears, I should say. The leather cups are nice and squishy, so you get plenty of padding. They don't twist all the way around, so they're not a DJ headphone where you can like take it off your ears or take it off your head and put it around your neck and have them sort of rest on your chest. There is a little bit of play there, but they're more about the tilt, but other than that, they're quite fixed. They are adjustable as well, which is quite nice, so that way, when you do want to make them, I guess, the perfect fit for your head, they're not going to change. They're not easy to, the sliding mechanism isn't too loose, so that's actually something I do really like, the fact that it is quite hard to get it out of position, so that way when you've got it in that right spot, every time you can go back, put them on, and they're going to still be in that exact same spot. On the sides, it's mostly plastic encasing the actual headphone, which is nothing too new. You've got some good cushioning on the headband there as well. And the other thing as well is that the cable to actually connect these is detachable, which is really nice. So, if the cable gets a bit frayed, you don't have to throw the headphones in the bin or anything like that. You can literally just go ahead and unscrew the cable that comes included, and use your own one or get another one from another audio shop or from Thronmax, for example. The actual headphones in the box with the cables, you've got a couple different options here. So you've got one cable that will go from the headphones straight into it's like a 1/4-inch jack, so you can then plug that into something like the Focusrite audio mixer that I'm currently using to capture this audio and to sort of monitor myself through the headphones. So that's really cool that you can just go ahead and get a pair of headphones like this that includes those accessories, so you can plug it into whatever mixer that you might have. But then there is also included a standard just 3.5mm headphone jack, so you can go ahead and plug it into the side of your laptop, your mobile phone, the back of your PC, or whatever it might be, without using that audio interface. So that's really cool, and you've also got that left and right channel splitter there in case you need that. If you haven't picked up on this part already, this pair of headphones doesn't include a microphone, so they're purely just all about audio. There's no microphone. You can get things like mod mics that, will go onto the side of this thing, but this is really just all about the audio experience. Obviously, there's some stickers in the box as well, as you can see as I'm sort of unboxing this, and there's that 1/4-inch jack that I was talking about before. So these pair of headphones, considering the price point and everything that you get included, I definitely think they're a pair of headphones that you guys should be checking out. In terms of sound quality, what I've really found is that the highs are really, really nice and balanced. It's not, it's not an overkill in terms of treble or those high frequencies. The mids are really, really nice as well. There's not a lot of bass there. So, I mean, a lot of studio headphones don't have a lot of bass, and that's just generally because they kind of wash out those other sounds that are more important. It's not that there isn't bass at all. I mean, you can definitely hear things like explosions or, a beat to a song, or, that bass that you might get when you're watching a cinematic movie or something like that. But these are a monitoring and professional recording pair of headphones, and I think their focus, Thronmax at least, has to be a company that makes really all-round good quality products, great value, And I think when you consider like some of their other products, like their microphones, the Thronmax Zone microphone that I'm using now is quite cheap. These headphones are quite affordable, but it doesn't mean that you're skimping on quality. So if this microphone is anything to go by, I think you guys should be pretty confident purchasing these headphones. I've been using them for well over a couple months now, and you can see me on my live streams every Friday using these headphones and this microphone in combination, and I just can't talk highly enough about them. So I'll leave a link to the Thronmax headphones down in the description. Overall, really great. They're nice and comfortable. My ears don't get hot. The sound is awesome. There's a good amount of flexibility in the headphones. Not as much as what you might get with other companies. You know, they're not able to be necessarily folded completely flat and compact or anything like that. There's no carrying case. You're just paying for the actual speakers and the headphones, which is really nice. You're not paying for extra stuff that you don't necessarily need or aren't necessarily going to use. So big thanks to Thronmax for, I guess, sending these headphones over for me to review. But I guess I actually really appreciate it. I actually probably would go out and buy these headphones if they weren't sending me over products like this to test out. But if you guys want to know more, links to everything is down in the description. If you have any comments or questions, hit me up. I'm more than happy to answer those for you. And other than that, we'll see you guys in the next video. By the way, now that you're at the end of this video, I probably should say something like, you know, go and click on the little card. I think it's up in the corner there somewhere, and you can go and watch another Thronmax video. Maybe the microphone is one that you want to check out. Cheers.